Okay, so you went to the fashion district, you got your items, the products you want to sell. Now, how do you figure out the perfect pricing? So today I'm gonna give you some tips on what you do after you went to the fashion district. You got all the items that you want to purchase. And I'm gonna show you guys how, well, actually I'm gonna show you guys what I do. And it's been working. Well, I do need some work with being organized, but I'm just gonna show you guys exactly what to do. So, if you're out here in California, the fashion district has every freaking thing you would think of. Everything you want to sell, they have it for wholesale. I have another video on how to start a business and all that, so go check it out and then come back to this one. So first thing you're gonna need when you go to the fashion district is, of course, quarters. I know, like, what quarters, but the meters, y'all, the meters you will get ticket. I got a ticket before. 1 quarter is only for 10 minutes, y'all. Right, highway robbery. But make sure you have your quarters. I do suggest wearing either a fanny pack, a small purse, or a backpack because it's in downtown. If you haven't been in downtown, it's not the safest there, so you have to be also aware of all your surroundings. I'm always telling you guys this on majority of my vlogs. I always say this: be aware of your surroundings, comfortable clothes and shoes, because it's gonna be a lot of walking. You go, have a budget in mind and know exactly what you want. As in, if you want to do clothes, jewelry, accessories, that's the same thing, or swimwear. I want to start selling swimsuits, as you can see. Or if you want to sell shoes and all that, they literally have everything. And they have a minimum purchase, like for accessories, because we got some accessories today, and we got this new outfit. If you haven't seen that vlog, check it out. I don't know if it's gonna be before or after this one. We got accessories. When you go to the accessories, the minimum purchase is $100. Other places will want to, like, for instance, if you're buying sunglasses, you have to buy the same style but different colors, a variety of it. But if they like you, you can work deals without. If they like you, you can work some deals out with them. So be nice to your wholesalers. And also, sometimes I do have to admit, they do judge you when you walk in. They judge you, and it's nothing we can do. There's nothing we can do about it, but not support. But we talk about that in a different video, you know. You know what I mean. We talk about that later. Everything that you want to purchase, you got everything ready, and everything will come in, usually come in bags like this. I have a lot of bags here, so I have to figure this out right now. Let's talk about the storage. Running a business is not easy. It's not easy, but we cannot give up. As you can see right here, we have a lot of clothes that we have not sold yet. I know, and we still getting new clothes. But that's the life of an entrepreneur. It's girl math right here. And also, I have more stuff in the closet. Now, and we have yes, we have bags I have to sort out. This is like the downfall. Like, it is, if you're not organized, and that's something that I lack in. If you're not organized, it's gonna get cluttered, and it's gonna be it's gonna be a lot going on with that. So that being said, I suggest as soon as you get new items, take inventory. So if you have a spread, if you can, you don't even have to pay for anything. Go on your notes on your phone, or even on a laptop, that whatever, and make a count of the inventory that you have, the color and the sizes that you have available. Also on Wix, I keep saying Wix, okay. On Wix, they also have the option to, you can just put in the sizing and the colors that they have available. They can track you once you make a purchase. But my way, I do it on both, because this is where I have problems with. If you're new to my page, me and my mom also do events at pop-up shops. We've been at, it's like a outside mall. You guys, it's like a, you guys know what a pop-up shop is, right? And also, me and my mom own one as well. So that's a whole nother story. So anyway, when we do these events, it is hard to keep track on what we have and what we sold, because sometimes it's fast paced. If you saw our last event, you guys know I vlog everything, and I'm also a live streaming as well. I'm plugging everything. It's hard to maintain how much we sold and all that. So sometimes, well, a lot of our times, the inventory is off. And I'm being honest. This is very, very transparent. So if somebody purchased something online and we don't have it, it's because we already sold it and I didn't really take a good account of it. So you don't want to be like me. I'm giving you some tips on how to prevent that, and that is to just to be on top of it, organized on everything and where everything's at, because it gets hectic, especially when you're doing events like me and my mom do as well. Let's talk about the pricing. And I feel like our pricing is very affordable. We had a few people complain before, but I don't care what nobody say. Me and my mom's prices are very affordable. We just bought this today, as you saw. If you haven't seen the vlog, like I said, go check it out. And it comes with a 2-piece set and the cover up, and I feel like this is so freaking cute. It's so freaking cute. And I'm going to sell all of it together. This is going to be $45. I feel like it's a great deal. I feel like it's a great deal. I also saw somebody else sell the same exact thing for $60, and I know you're trying to say what's the big difference. Our pricing is very different, but she's literally saying the same exact thing I'm selling for hers for $60. I chose $45 because I feel like that's a reasonable amount versus how, like, compared to how much I paid for 6 items. I feel like it's a good price. If you think I'm wrong, leave a comment about and everything like that, but I can see how when I hear it out loud saying this, another competitor selling the same thing for $60, I feel like I'm not losing. You know what I mean? I feel like she's overcharging, in my opinion. But you know, she's just on. And also, we charge $9 for shipping. Our shipping is very cheap compared to other companies as well, but I feel like $45 is affordable. Mind you, they get everything. And if you think I'm wrong, leave a comment. Leave a comment, give me suggestions, but I feel like $45 is good, and that's something I will pay for. So that's how I do it. Like, I like to, for my pricing, I double what I pay for it. That's how I do my pricing. I feel $60 is too much. I wouldn't pay for it. I'm being honest. And I know a lot of entrepreneurs are really trying to get rich off of each of their customers. That's my interpretation. So that's how I feel like I think that's appropriate price. Or should I raise it to $50? You know, I don't know. But right now, excluding taxes and the shipping. So once, you know, everything is processed, it goes all right. About how I pick up my items, and we talk about the pricing. Now, how we do the promotions, and this is very important, is promotions. I suggest post it on every social media platform you have, and that's what I'm doing right now. I just did a few. I'm taking a little break. I'm about to go eat dinner too, and then I'm going to get back on the promotions. And like I said, I use the pictures that I use to promote this is the pictures that I asked the wholesalers to send me. And that's, oh, I think I forgot to tell you guys that. So when you go to the wholesaler, especially if you're selling clothes or anything, you can ask them, do they have a picture of the item on a live body or something? They'll send you what they got. And the wholesaler that I go to, me and her have a good connection now. She sends me pictures of the items that are coming, they have, and also pictures of the models. And right now I'm just using those pictures. Back in the day, a few years ago, I used to have a live model, but it's a lot of stuff with that as well. And I have a lot on my plate. You guys know I'm in grad school too, so, but anyway. So yeah, that is basically it. So that is it on my tips. I know it was short, but when I do my tutorials, I go straight to the point. I don't play any games about that. And if you are an entrepreneur or you are aspiring to be one, especially if you're gonna sell clothes, I just want to say this. I said this earlier. We cannot quit. It is not easy. And I know on social media it's very glamorized, and people always like, oh, it's so easy to make this money, and seeing pictures of other entrepreneurs with like over 100 orders. I just want to say this, that is not realistic. Well, it may be realistic for some people, but for me and my mom, it has not been like that for us. And I'm just telling you, if you're doing your research right now, you're watching my video for inspiration or ideas, I'm just telling you, it's not easy. Don't give up, and just don't think when you start your business you're gonna get like 100 orders, you're gonna get like 5. Don't think like that, because realistically it's not gonna happen like that. To be transparent, me and my mom get about 1 or 2 a week. Yeah, and sometimes we don't even get any orders online. So I'm just telling you from personal experience, you cannot give up. Just keep working, and one day it's gonna pay off. And right now. I'm just waiting for, I'm patient. You know what? Let me take a, I am patient. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any comments, questions, or anything, leave them below. I would love to respond. And also, make sure you subscribe. I say this all the time. I do not niche down my channel. I'll show you guys literally everything about my life. Everything that I do, you will see. Either I'm in, you guys know I'm in grad school. So either school vlogs, day in the life vlogs, travel vlogs, entrepreneur life vlogs, or even when me and my mom do our pop-ups, I just vlog everything. So yeah, I do not niche down here.